Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you never miss update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So guys, how to fix Roblox games not working and not opening the games. So how can fix this issue? Simply step by step and follow them. So first of all, open settings on your phone and then tap on settings. Click here. After that, tap search and search here Roblox. Now tap it. After that is new appear on screen. Now tap on storage and cache. After that, clear cache and clear storage. Now tap it and then clear cache. Now back home screen. Again opens Play Store app on your phone. Now tap it and find Play Store and open. And then search here Roblox game. Now is asking updated. So if your phone is asking update Roblox games, so please update Roblox games on your phone. And back home screen, close page all. After that, scroll down and then tap on settings and now search here date and time. Now check your date and times. If it's data times not set on the automatic zone, now tap on set automatic zone toggled on and then back home screen, close page again. Now tap on Roblox games and reinstall. Uninstall the game from your phone. See a Roblox game, tap on Roblox game and uninstall the game from your phone, and again open Play Store app and install the Roblox game, and then tap on Chrome app from your phone. After that, tap search here robloxterror.com. search here. Now click it. After that, and first links opens. Now check here your status on Roblox games and then again search bar and search here. Opens first links, click here. Now check here don't detectors on your Roblox game. Now scroll down. Now you can see servers and don't detectors and gameplay. So close page. Again open Roblox games and log in your account. So guys, if you have any problem, let me know in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.